If you've already cleaned the inside of your Keurig brand coffee maker and you're still getting the descale light button that won't turn off, the only thing you have to do is press down the 8 ounce and the 12 ounce simultaneously at the same time for 5 seconds, and you hold it down. You might have to do a combination. If you have like a 10 ounce, you might have to hold all 3 down if you have 3 options. If you haven't cleaned your Keurig coffee maker, go ahead and clean it like I'm suggesting, with half water, half vinegar. And if that doesn't work and the light still doesn't come off after you hold it down, re-clean it again. So basically that light is showing that you still have calcium and residue through the Keurig machine. Now this particular brand is a Mr. Coffee, but this will work with the Keurig brand. The only thing you're going to need is filtered water and vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar, but regular white vinegar will work as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a 2-part solution, and it's going to be 50-50 equal. So half vinegar, and this is the solution you're going to make. Half filtered water, or spring water will work. Fill it to the level. Then we want to run this cycle twice. It's super important. Keurig recommends that you clean it out and you do this at least once every 3 months. I do mine about every week. It's good to clean out, and vinegar is a natural way of killing bacteria and removing calcium and minerals throughout your machine. Now once this is done, you're going to pour this out and then pour you some new solution into the machine and run it through again. If for some reason you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon juice, or if you could put like a half lemon juice, half vinegar solution, 50% and then 50% water, you can do that as well. Lemon juice is also an antibacterial liquid, all natural and healthy. Alright, now that we have that done, you're going to go ahead and run filtered water to clean out all the vinegar or lemon taste. And you might want to do this more than once. You might want to do it twice to make sure you get off the vinegar so you don't have that vinegar tasting. Some people will make a soap water solution with water to clean it out. I don't like that idea. I think I like more of an all-natural solution like vinegar and lemon juice. Plus, I don't like the idea of just tasting, dishwashing soap in my coffee. I don't like that idea. So I would not recommend that. As you can see here, I'm running straight filtered water through here, and there's still like a little yellow tint. That's basically the apple cider vinegar that's still on the components inside. So I'll probably run it through one more time. Thanks for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe. Have a good day.